Today is Sunday, January 18th, 2015, and here's update number 7 on our second floor renovation. First off, you'll see that I've put up a temporary plastic wall here to mostly just cut down on dust. It also helps a little bit with heat since this area isn't heated yet. It is insulated now. But I wanted to show that the heat's not on at all on the second floor, and just by adding in the insulation up here, we're now easily able to keep it into a comfortable temperature range, even though it's single digits outside, which is a big improvement over what it was before we started this renovation. So here's where we're at in this area. As you can see, we've got the exterior walls just about completely insulated. We've got thick vapor barrier put on all the way across, and then R19 insulation behind that. I also went through before I insulated and used some expanding foam to fill in some gaps from some poor construction before. I do still have a little area there. I have to finish the vapor barrier once the electrical's done in the closet, but other than that, the exterior walls are finished. I also have the ceiling insulated. A lot of places you'll see, like right here, I still have to go through and pull the insulation down and pat it up a little bit and fill the gaps perfectly, but it's in for now until we get to the sheetrock stage. I also have the electrical in the ceilings, in this room at least. The other room isn't quite done yet, but this one's there. So we're really close in this room. This is the room that's going to eventually be my daughter's room. So the only part that's left to do in here before we can get to sheetrock is that this center wall, as you can see, I've got it insulated, and then I've also got most of the plywood done. So I just have to finish up the plywood there. And then here's the wall that separates the two rooms. I'll show you how that's going to work getting into the other room in just a minute, but I need to finish the electrical in that one, and then I can do the same there. I can insulate that and plywood that. Then once that's done, I'm pretty much ready to go through and start sheetrocking this room and move forward into the finish work. So that's exciting. Next, here I'll walk you through the right way to do this. If we go back out in the hallway, this would have been the door that led to the hallway. And then if we come around this way, this is where the other door to the other bedroom would be. So now I'm on the other side of that dividing wall. And this leads into the spare bedroom. Right away you'll see that I've got quite a bit more work to do in this room. This room's a little bit less of a priority right now. But I do have the insulation done in here, both on the walls and on the ceiling. And then the electrical in this room is mostly finished, both the ceilings and the walls, but I do have to do a little bit more right near the entryway where it all kind of ties together. I have to put in one more light and then tie everything together. And then the electrical in here will be done. As far as the third floor goes, I have the subfloor ready to go down, but I haven't permanently fixed it down yet until I tie up the last little bits of the electrical so I can be confident that I don't need to pull anything back up again. And then the third floor will be done as well for now. So that's my update for now. I hope to get another update up in a couple of weeks. I've been kind of hit or miss on finding time to do this stuff, so I apologize. But thanks for watching.